Hi, my name's Samantha from Minerva and welcome to today's video. We are sharing with you today some new fabrics from Lady McElroy, and we've got 5 fantastic fabrics and patterns to share. So let's get on with the very first fabric. So the first one here is an animal print and it's a chalet, and we absolutely adore this. It is a black and blue, which is so on trend at the moment. I'm just going to bring this up to the camera so you can just take in the drape on that fabric and also that repeat pattern, which is quite a big repeat, which means it would look good on dresses, it would look good on skirts and also on tops. And you are looking at a 55-inch wide fabric here, which is great value for money, and that is 140 centimeters in the width. Now for this fabric we are teaming it up with Butterick 6554, and we love this because it really accentuates that drapeability and that lovely swooshiness that you get with this fabric, and it would just look such a great dress for various different occasions. Now we love the raglan style of this dress. It also looks fantastic as a halter neck, and it comes in a size 6 to size 22 US. You would need between 3 meters to 3.4 meters of fabric for your dress. And remember, here at Minerva, anything over half a metre we will be able to give you a 10 centimetre increment. So if you need 3 meters 40 for your dress, we can provide that for you. And while we're here looking at this gorgeous fabric, why not check out one of our Minerva friends over on our website. Have a look at what Dominique Jean has created, and my goodness, this dress just looks so sophisticated. And if you think this pattern in this beautiful animal print fabric just would look so incredibly stylish, I really would love this dress in this fabric, and I think it goes with various different skin tones and hair types, and it would just be great. You can wear this also through the seasons just because of the great colours. You really aren't limited to spring or winter with this, and it would be great for party season too. And now let's have a look at a gorgeous abstract print. And our next fabric we've got for you is a voile, and who doesn't love a voile for scarves and also for prints in the summer? As I say, this is also new and we absolutely love this here at Minerva. This is just such a gorgeous abstract floral. I'm going to bring it to the camera and I'm going to give it a swish. Now we love this purely because it is such a delicate fabric. This is a combination of 55% silk and 45% cotton. So you've got the properties of your silk and your cotton, and we are absolutely loving that drape and also that delicate fabric here. Now, this is incredible value for money too. I had to double check when we put the price up for such a gorgeous fabric in silk and cotton. It is fantastic. And remember, here at Minerva, if you join the Minerva Craft Club, you will also get 10% off all your orders, and we'll pop some information in the comments box below for you. So we were looking at some patterns for this gorgeous abstract floral, and we have looked at New Look 6575, and how great would this be for a winter holiday, or if you're on a cruise, or why not make it for the summer? And we love this kimono style here because it would really be that perfect summer top with a v-neck, and also it has a drawstring just under the bust to give it a really beautiful shape. we love these strong kimono sleeves, which are really such a flattering shape. And really this kimono style sleeve would show off the beautiful drape in this fabric. And I'm just going to pop this over on my mannequin. And you can really just see how that fabric just really held the light. I would absolutely love to make a few scarves as Christmas gifts in this fabric so that I can give those away. And because it's silk and cotton, if you have it around your neck, it would be really warm on those chillier days. Now let's move on to our third fabric. And this is a metallic viscose, and we love this because it's got a little bit of a vintage feel to it, and the pattern really does look very 1950s, 1960s. And I'm going to bring this to the camera so you can just appreciate the repeat on this. And you can see they've put a very modern little metallic square within the weave. And with the viscose again, you get that great drape and that great fall with the fabric. So it's beautifully soft, soft to touch, soft against the skin. And we would love to pair this up, and we think it would look fantastic with the Sew Over It Pussycat blouse. And you could really show off the design in this fabric in this pattern. The Pussycat blouse comes in size UK 6 to 20, and you would need between 1.9 metres to 2.3 metres of fabric for this blouse. And I think that really gorgeous bow at the front of the design would look fab with this pattern, and there wouldn't be a massive amount of pattern matching with this, but again you could wear this from spring into your autumn fall wardrobe and pop in a cardi over this on those chillier days. It also would look fabulous if you're looking at planning some summer makes for next year into a dress. And then we have a jersey. Now this is the first jersey in this video today to share with you. And it's again an animal print, and we've already had one animal print in the viscose. And this is a jersey animal print, and this is a teal and a black colour. Let me just bring that to the camera so you can see it. And it's a very small repeat of an animal print. So again, not much pattern matching within that design for you. This fabric is a 96% viscose and 4% spandex. Now the spandex gives it that great recovery. And if I just share with you the back, so again you can see how beautifully soft it is on the back against your skin, and you've still got that beautiful repeat pattern here on the front. Now this comes with an incredible 70% stretch on the width and 40% on the length. So you can see that you have got that stretch, and that spandex really is doing its job to give you a beautiful fabric here. We all love to pair this up here with the Style Arc Susie dress. Now we love this because it's a wrap over dress, so it's incredibly flattering for so many figures. And it has a really nice inner panel which finishes just at the waist. We love the long sleeve and also the short sleeve version, so you can decide which one you would make with your fabric. Comes within a size 4 to 16 pattern, and then a size 18 to 30 pattern. And again, for those cooler days, a jersey fabric animal print dress with that wrap over top would look a great addition to your wardrobe going into those autumn months. And then we're down to our last fabric in today's video, and it's also a new fabric from Lady McElroy, and this is a safari style print. and it's so vibrant and so colourful, and I think really to have so much fun with this and to make some statement dresses or maybe a men's shirt in this would look fabulous. We've got the gorgeous tiger, the Montserrat leaves, and if you look closely you can spot you've got your giraffes, you've got some zebras within this, and this just looks absolutely fun and so on trend at the moment with those vibrant colours.
And we're looking at new look 6292
as a staple, and it's also a great version that you can hack at it and have some fun with the sleeves and also making it maybe into a dress too. Now this fabric is a lawn cotton. It is 140 centimetres on your width, and you are looking at 55 inches there on the width. So again, we're looking at a great value for money on this here. You don't have any stretch, and we're teaming it as quite a light fabric, so this would be great if you're planning for summer or you are looking for spring and looking for something to do as a bit of a layering up. But my goodness, this just really does have such a strong style to it. And that's everything I've got to share with you today. If you're new here at Minerva, why not join the Minerva community? It's free to set up an account, and you can start sharing your makes with what you have purchased from Minerva over and make some fantastic creative friends too. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you again soon.